No rush. If you see something, tell her. Don't be shy. She might bite you, but doesn't matter. She's a 2 times world champion in the veterans. Yeah.
What am I going to teach her?
You can still tell her. Sandy, your hand goes up on the way. Don't let it go up, especially at the end. Hold it down. Hold it down. Still going up. Look at her hands. Tell her not to go up in the sky with them. Otherwise, the second part of the stroke won't be deep enough.
That time I paddle pan out of the water. See how it moves?
Two letter J's. You have the long stem starting on the water, coming all the way and rolling up. You write this letter in one go. It's next to the L. It covers the L, covers the whole L. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And you have to go as far as you can, Sandy. I show what Sandy does. Very casual, almost like this. Instead of all the way. Being a karate expert, your opponent is that far. If you finish that punch here, your opponent will laugh into your face. Because there is going to be this much distance between him and your face. So if you really want to win the thing, you have to finish hard, because this is where you pull hard. If you don't support this pull at the end of your push, it's not going to be hard enough. Remember, this is where you sit. This is where you're 58 kilos. Am I nice?
Oh, about 60.
Okay.
You've been nice.
This is where it sits. So that's what you really want to move. Okay? So if you get soft here, that 60 kilos is not going to go. That's when you really want to, that's when everything comes together. Tummy, chair, back, leg. This is where, and the front. Now, we often say push. It's not a push. It's you put this side of your body onto this hand, onto this arm, and you just press it forward, but not the hand, not the arm, but the body behind. Justin was doing this. You can get away with it. You can go pretty well, but this is so much better. This is so much better. An open, solid rotation. Collar was a little bit narrow. You have to feel that the blade kind of goes in a V shape. That way, your frame is still there at the end of the stroke. Okay? If you pull it too close, the frame just wrinkles the picture. So, but what was your name?
Jake.
Jake. Jake was paddling two big pictures. Like he was paddling a double, but not in length, but in width. Yeah? Okay? So your boat is quite narrow. You want to start the stroke next to the boat, and then kind of come with the wake. From the nose of the boat, there is a wake coming. You place your blade inside of the wake. not outside of the ring. And then you just go, and at the end of the stroke, I'm still sitting on the top of the blade. And come out on the side. Come out on the side. With the edge of the blade, so I'm not lifting up water. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Just a simple coming up. At the same time I go down. Very important that this is the main part really, what you paddle with. The lower trunk. This is the muscle group around your waist, which had been working ever since you started to walk. As long as you are up and running from the age of 8 months, these muscles are always at work, even when you sit. So they never get as soon tired as any other muscles. They are different muscles. So you can rely on them. Plus, if you use them properly, the power is the closest to where you want to apply the power. If you only paddle with the muscles higher up, there's a middleman between there. So you're not gonna get the right amount of power. So it's always like I say as Clint Eastwood, shooting from the hip. Or was it John Wayne or something? Okay, so here we go. Tummy and back. Tummy and back. You feel the base. You feel the road. This is your tire and this is the road. You don't want to sit tippy-toe. You sit tall, but you feel the power. Down. There. Down. There. Down. It doesn't mean you drop the top hand to low. It's still up there, but the power is here. 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 You just join it. Okay, the first group of students again.
Leave their shafts on that thing. Don't wander away from the center too much. Roll the frame, roll the back. Don't lift up, don't drop. Just stay flat on that thing. A little bit lower, Carla, just a little bit lower. That's it. But make Justin to touch your paddle. Don't rush, Just. That's it, that's it. Do the changeover at the same time. You are coming out earlier than going down. Do the come up and go down at the same time. You see, you are not going down, but you are already coming out. You are staying up.
Keep the frame together.
Yeah.
One end and going up the other end.
You see, you are a bit late on the going down. Do it at the same time. You are posing on the top while your blade on the bottom is already up in the air.
So your lead hand to bottom hand. That's the main hand to bottom one. Bottom hand.
That's very good, Jace. Bend the arm. Stretch it out. Make sure you have the longest stroke you can come up with the body and with the arm. Move the shaft and the tummy, shaft and the chest, shaft and the back, shaft and the shoulders. Walk with all the segments. Tummy, chest, shoulders, elbows, hands, and the blade. At the ankle by the hand. Very good. Feel the tummy the most powerful. That's it. Now you are in the water. With the tummy you are in the water. With the shoulders you are not in the water. It's the tummy what moves the shoulders, because the shoulders don't necessarily move the tummy. But the tummy does move the whole upper body. Come out on the side, Jake. Come out on the side. Don't drop water behind you. Come out on the side. Fly up like a bird does. Not rotating with the tummy, Jake. Can you see Carla? He is getting the blade out before he gets to the end of the stroke. Missing out on the most important part. But hold it down. Hold it down.